good, guys? Cool, pull out right in front of me. Hell yeah. Idiots. Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate you for tuning in. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's going on today? It's Saturday. So, heading to the gym. It's 11:45 my time. My Washington State Cougars play in about 45 minutes against North Texas, I think. I don't know. Some new school we've never played before. Go Cougs, my alma mater, like I said. I graduated from there in 2018, so I'm a little bit, you know, old, some may say. Maybe I'm not old. I don't know. Doesn't matter. All that matters is that the Cougs get the dub today. I go to the gym, get a good lift in. I get to record the drive there, talk to you guys, and yeah, just make it a good day. So, feeling blessed, feeling happy. It's a sunny day out. Gonna go to the gym and we're gonna hit chest today. So, it's gonna be a quick one, and I just want to really, I don't know, get a good pump in. So, what I'm gonna do is target 4 main lifts and really just exhaust the absolute freak out of my muscles. So, what does that look like? Let's talk about it. That's the plan. If you're new here, hit that sub button. Join the fam. What's stopping you? Join the fam. I post nearly every day. I try to, at least. Sometimes life gets ahead of me and I get behind, but if you like cars, if you like working out, join the fam. Hit that sub button. Let me know if you did. Drop a comment and I'll welcome you. Nice on 440. But anyways, yeah, we're heading to the gym. We're gonna do chest. We're gonna start, like I said, 4 main exercises, and just gonna go heavy, gonna go hard, no rest. I mean, some rest, but not a lot of rest, not a lot of break in between. And we're gonna try and just get after it. We're gonna start with barbell incline. It's my favorite, my I don't know, personal favorite chest workout. Barbell incline. What we're gonna do is quick warm up and quick warm up. So throw 45s on, warm it up. Probably go up to 205. Sometimes I can hit 225 on incline, sometimes I can't. Just kind of depends on where I'm at. But we're gonna do warm-up set and then 3 working sets of 5 to 8 reps. If I can get 8 reps, I'm increasing the weight. If I can't get to 5 reps, I am decreasing the weight. 5 to 8, that's my range for best muscular growth. So we'll do that on incline. Then we'll move over to hopefully the pec deck fly machine if it's open. If it's not open, then we'll just move over to cable flies, standing cable flies or seated cable flies, depends on what's open. And we're gonna go heavy there as well. Just target the chest. Try not to get too much of your arms and momentum swinging. Really just focus that pump and bring it into your chest with your elbows coming in. And by that time, my chest should be fully pumped, but we're not done yet. We're gonna move back into a press movement. We'll probably hit flat bench, dumbbell press. Do the same thing as we did on incline barbell. And then we'll wrap it up with probably some weighted dips. we'll see how I'm feeling after that. If I'm feeling good, I might add some more into it. Probably not gonna do triceps today just because I'm on a time crunch, but yeah, that's the move for today. That is the move for today. So I like to give you guys a little insight, I think, into my workout. Car's looking good in the reflection, as always. But yeah, I want to give you some more insight into my workouts because, I don't know, whenever I meet somebody in the gym and I hear what they're doing, get a little insight as far as, you know, what they do that helps them grow their muscles and whatnot. You never, I don't know, it's just good to get free game from everybody, in my opinion. So hopefully I put you on to some knowledge every now and then, and yeah, let me know in the comments, you know, what you're implementing, what exercises you like to do, how you see a lot of muscle growth and whatnot. But the plan is we're gonna hit the gym, then we're gonna go to Home Depot, and I gotta get a bee trap, a hornet, or what the hell are they called? Yellow jackets, hornets. I don't know if they're the same thing, but they are all over the place at my house. So I have to get a trap because my landlord is not. So that's the plan. Stop by Home Depot, get some traps, set them up. The main reason why I'm doing this today is, and I'll talk about this probably in the next video if you want to tune into that one, but my dog, dude, I took her out this morning. My lovely dog, her name's Indy. She's turning two years old this month. On the 23rd, she'll turn 2. She's an English cream golden retriever. She matches the whip. That's actually her right here, right? That's her. That's her. I don't know how else to describe it. That's her. That's why I have that in here. I don't just have it for shits and giggles. I take her everywhere with me. She's my homie. She's my little girl. She's my best friend. And I took her out this morning to go potty. Dude, gets stung in the ear. Literally on, like, her flat, like, her ear comes down. It's like at the bottom of her ear, the very bottom tip of her ear. She got stung. And it's like swollen. I'll try to get a picture of her, put it on here, but, or do that on the next video. But anyways, I gotta kill these bees, bro. They're just absolute menaces. Put the sunshade up back there. But yeah, I gotta kill the bees, man. They're fucking up everything. And there's sap that's coming down off the trees, and they will just suck all that up, and they're spawning out of nowhere. There's so many of them, and I'm sick of it. So yeah. Anyways, this guy's gonna park right here. Okay. Or not. Okay, cool. Anyways, let's go hit the gym. Appreciate you guys for coming in, tuning in on this fine Saturday morning. Beautiful day. Like I said, blessed to be here. I'm thankful. I'm grateful. I appreciate you for watching and supporting the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.